How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So here I'm going to start with a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So first of all, open Google Maps in your browser, then wait for it to load, then go to the browser or the search of Google Maps and type the United States. That's the market you are going to target in today's explanation. So let's wait for the United States to load, and here zoom in on the United States, and here make sure to choose a state or a city that you are going to target in this method. So here let's choose, for example, I don't know, we can choose Michigan. So here let's zoom in on Michigan, and let's choose a city, for example, let's choose Detroit. Here let's zoom in on Detroit, let's zoom in, and here let's go to the search again, and let's search for any type of small business you'd like to search for example plumbers or gyms or auto repairs. But before that, I'm going to talk about the three main services that we are going to offer those small businesses. So the first service we are going to offer them is the website creation. So we are going to check their profiles if there is a website. Then we are going to check the website. If it's an innovative website, we are going to move on to the next service. But if it's an old website, we are going to offer them to renew the website for them. Then we are going to offer them the service of removing bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And the third one is managing their social media accounts. So here let's go for a small business, for example hair salon, and click on search to see all of the hair salons in this area. So here let's wait for it to load, and as you can see in here, you can see a lot of hair salon profiles. So here guys, in order to find the best profiles to reach out to, or the ones with the highest rate of answering to our reaching out or our calling, or the ones with the highest rate of purchasing our service, make sure always to avoid the ones with sponsored written in their profile and the ones with more than 150 reviews. So this one has only 35 reviews, but they have a sponsored written in their profile, so that means they are paying someone to advertise their profile in Google Maps, so they won't need our services. So here let's scroll down to see the other ones. Here we have this other one, and it's also sponsored. And here we have Salon Travagio, and they have 57 reviews, and they are not sponsored in any way or shape. So let's check their website, their profile. Even though it's hard to find any bad reviews in their profile, but we can see if we can offer them the service of creating a website for them. And we can actually, they don't have a website in here. This is just their address, as you can see, and they don't have a website. And by scrolling down, I guess we cannot find any bad reviews in their profile. So here for this small business, we are going to offer them to create a website for them. So here you can just take their number and call them directly, say that where my name is and I offer these services and I want to build a website for you. It will cost you, for example, $100 or $200, and these are the benefits of the website, and talk a little bit about the benefits of the website and how it can make them gain more money, because that's the important thing in any business, which is gaining or making more money than they were making. So that's how you can convince them to buy or purchase your service, which is creating a website for them. And that's for the first service. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill whatsoever in order to make this method work for you. You'll just need to land the client, make them pay you. For example, this client pays you $150 for the website creation. You'll just go to fiverr.com. Here, let's type fiverr.com, which is a freelancing platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver the service instead of you. So here, let's wait for it to load. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see a lot of freelancers profiles, for example like this one, who will design and redesign, build or rebuild WordPress websites for only $80. So you can pay the freelancer $80 for the website, and you will be paid $150 from the business to deliver that website for them. So you would be left with approximately $70 profit without even lifting a finger in WordPress, or without even trying to learn how to make websites. So here, let's move on to show you how you can find other ones to, for example this one, to show you how you can manage the bad reviews, or how you can use the bad reviews in order to make the business owners purchase your service, which is removing the bad reviews. So let's take you straight away to the bad reviews. So here, from the review summary, you can see that they have 1 or 2 1-star reviews, and some 2-star reviews, and some 3-star reviews. So let's scroll down until we find the bad reviews. So here we have the 1-star review, the 3-star review. They took me in short notice, but I did not expect my haircut to cost $65, especially with no shampoo, conditioner beforehand. The stylist kept swaying me away from the cut I totally wanted. So I'm not even in love with my hair though. It looks okay. I thought I liked it when I left, but the more I live in it, the more I regret not getting what I really wanted. Sadly, I will not be back, as $65 is ridiculous for a haircut, no matter how good it is. I was not warned that my haircut will be at the top of the $45, $65 price range. I'm not even sure why. Beautiful place though. So this is from a local guide, and she says that she regretted coming to their shop. So you can just take a screenshot of this review, then send it to the business owners and say that we can take out this review for them for the right price, for example $100 or $150, and we can use them to convince them to purchase our service. And they will apply the same method again. Just go to fiverr.com and hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of us. So that's it guys for today's video. I guess you understand the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.